Welcome to Spicenpies.
Going to be harvesting green chilies.
This one is even not ripe. Still not ripe.
A red one. And then start with this one. Another red one. Look at that, a green one. This one is the first chili. It's also a red one. It's very squishy. Here's one that's starting to ripen. Oh, an orange one that's turning into red. Right. Then we'll just cut this one. This is a second chili. And now I'm not sure which ones it were the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, third, any of the other ones, but those are the only two that I know. There we go. The green chili, which is very big. We're going to do this red one all the way up here. Good red chili. And then we're going to do this green one right here. And then to put that basket, a reddish orange one right here. And that right there. And that finishes. Wait. We have this one all the way up here. And we have another green chili. This one's nice and hard. And then, yep, that's a lot of chilies. And we have another piece too. We'll put the small one first. Save the best for last. And then the last one is right here. It's hiding in the leaves. There you go. That is a bunch of chilies right there, different colors. And it looks so much better on camera. Alright, and now it's time to see how much all these chilies weigh. Wow, a total of 50 grams. Wow.
Like, share, and subscribe to Spicenpies. Thank you.